nabigla naman ako dahil humihinga pa ako doon. Nagmamadali ako. Anyway, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Happy Sunday to each and every one of you. This is the right, very timely that we have this beautiful weather. And at the same time, it's nice that we're now closing this big event, 1-month event. And we have this special competition, solo singing competition. We call it the Great Voices of Baguio. I would like to congratulate all the participants and, of course, the winning artists. But before we close, I would like to express on behalf of the local government of Baguio our profound and deepest gratitude to the following. First, to the Tourism Council led by Gladys Vergara. Palakpakan mo natin siya. Yung ating City Tourism Officer, City Tourism Officer si Engineer Alec Mapalo. Yung ating City Environment and Park Management Officer, we have here Attorney Renan Diwas. Sa ating pong mga chalet owners, yung ating pong mga artists, performers, our volunteers, our women's group, yung senior citizen, nandyan din sila. And at the same time, we would like to thank everyone who actually made this event, special big event, one-month event, possible. And kayo po yun, yung aming pong papasalamatan. So, thank you very much po uli. Malungkot po tayong i-close ito dahil napakasaya nitong lugar na to. Kaya lang, kailangan na ho natin gawin. But after 1 month, we have another big event, and that is the Panagbenga Festival. So, we're hoping to see you once again in the city of Baguio. And sa ating po mga kaibigan na dumalo ngayong araw na ito, maraming salamat. God bless you. Mabuhay.
Thank you so much, Honorable Benjamin Magalong. Maraming salamat po for that inspirational message.
But also, Ryan, we would also like to hear a message. Na-mention nga ni Mayor kanyang pangalan kanina. Please help us welcome the chairperson of the Baguio Tourism Council, Ms. Gladys Vergara.